Good afternoon, boys and girls. I wanted to hop in here because I know some of you did not get to join our morning meeting this morning. I'm sorry if you missed us. We will be doing it every single school morning at 8:30. So if you missed us this morning, hopefully there will be another time you can join us. I'm sorry this is so late. I had lots of meetings on the computer this morning with some of the other first grade teachers and with Mrs. Yasek. So I am just now having a chance to give you an afternoon message. So boys and girls, let's take a minute to look at our afternoon message together. You can read along with me and Baby Echo. Here we go. It says, today's date is 3/20/20. Dear students, good afternoon. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2020. Today you will watch Brain Pop and write about what you need and what you want. Love your teachers. So some of you may have already had a chance to watch your Brain Pop videos and do some writing and drawing about the things you need and want and about goods and services. I know this is something we learned about in school, so today we'll wrap it up with a little review at home. And I wanted to take a few minutes to take a look at some of our Foundation's words of the day. So boys and girls, I have a small pile of our words of the day here. I will show them to you, and I want you to go ahead and read them to someone at home, or you may read them out loud to yourself. This word is flip. Nice job, boys and girls. Remember, we want to try to scoop the whole word. The word is flip. What is the blend in the word flip? Tell someone at home. The blend is the FL, flip. It's two consonants right next to each other that make two separate sounds. This word is shred. Remember, this word has a digraph blend in it. Shred. Where is the digraph blend in this word? You see sure. That is your digraph blend. Your digraph is your SH, sh, followed by a consonant R, Put them together and you have two sounds, sh, One sound is a digraph, one sound is a consonant. That word is shred. What word? Task. Your blend is at the end of this word. The SK in task. This word is fangs. And what's the base word, boys and girls? The base word is fang, and the suffix is S. Suffix S, more than one fang. Thinks. What's the glued sound in the word thinks? Your glued sound is your INK, ink. What is your base word? Your base word is think, and your suffix is S. Nice job, boys and girls. This word is wing. Read this word. Hang. Link. Junk. Fill. Oh, boys and girls, tell someone at home, what rule does the word fill follow? What Foundation's rule that we've learned is in the word fill? If you said it's the bonus letter L, you were correct. After a short vowel sound like this I, you need two L's. Quit. And back to the beginning where we have flip. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now let's take a quick read of some of our trick words. Go ahead and read along with me. Would, could, should. Where, there, here. Some, come. Oops. What word, boys and girls? If you said were, great job. This is not where, this is were. Where were you today? Are, who, have, also, said, was, what, and very. Nice reading, boys and girls. I hope you were able to read those along with me or read them to someone at home. All right, friends, it was nice to see you in here this afternoon. I will see you again Monday morning at 8:30 for our morning meeting video chat. I hope you can join me, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.